Let us try to do subtraction of two 5-digit numbers by doing an activity. The materials required are paper cups. We can also use bowls. We need grains. Here we have taken kabuli chana. Instead of grains, we can also take pebbles, tamarind seeds or other similar materials which are easily available. To apply color to the grains, we have used watercolors or paint, and then we have allowed the grains to dry. Here we have created yellow colored grains, pink colored grains, blue colored grains, green colored grains and black colored grains. Let us take one example for subtraction of numbers. The two numbers taken for subtraction are 97,411 and 10,378. Here we have to subtract 10,378 from 97,411. The cups here are marked as units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s. We can write the place value represented by each cup at the top. The first number is the minuend and the second number is the subtrahend. 97,411 is the minuend and 10,378 is the subtrahend. We shall now find the difference of these two numbers. First, we represent the minuend using the grains in these cups. In the units place, we have digit 1. So, we have to put one grain in the cup representing the units place. We take one black colored grain and put it in the cup in the units place. In the tens place, we have digit 1 again. We take one green colored grain and put it in the cup in the tens place. In the hundreds place, we have digit 4. We take 4 blue colored grains and put them in the cup in the hundreds place. Now, in the thousands place, we have digit 7. We take 7 pink colored grains and put them in the cup in the thousands place. In the 10,000s place, we have digit 9. We take 9 yellow colored grains and put them in the cup. We have represented the minuend by using the colored grains in the cups. We have to subtract the subtrahend from the minuend to get the difference. This means from the cup at the units place with the black grains, we have to take out some 8 black grains. But this is not possible because there is only one black grain in the cup at the units place. From this, we have to take out 8 black grains. To do this, we need to borrow from the tens place. We have only one grain in the tens place. Let us take out the one green colored grain and convert it into units. We know that 1 tens is equal to 10 units. We can replace one green grain at the tens place with 10 black grains in the cup at the units place. Let us remove one green colored grain from the cup in the tens place. We must put 10 black colored grains in the cup at the units place, along with the one black grain already present in the cup. The total number of black colored grains in the cup at the units place will be 10 plus 1, which is 11 black colored grains. We can now subtract 8 units from 11 units, and this means we have to remove 8 black colored grains from the cup in the units place. From the 11 black grains in the cup, if we remove 8 black colored grains, 3 black colored grains will be left with the cup at the units place. So, we write 3 in the units place of the difference. We now have 0 tens. From 0 tens, we have to subtract 7 tens. From 0 tens, we cannot subtract 7 tens. So, we borrow from hundreds place. From 4 hundreds, we borrow 100 and bring it to the tens place. There are 4 blue colored grains in the cup at the hundreds place. Let us take one blue colored grain and put the remaining 3 blue colored grains back into the cup at the hundreds place. From 4 hundreds in the hundreds place, if we transfer 1 hundreds to the tens place, we will be left with 3 hundreds. The 100 we transferred to the tens place will become 10 tens. So, this one blue colored grain from the hundreds place can be converted into how many green colored grains that will be present in the tens place? It will be 10 green colored grains. We take 10 green colored grains and we replace the one blue colored grain from the hundreds place and put 10 green colored grains at the tens place. We put these 10 green colored grains in the cup at the tens place. At the tens place, the total value present is 10. From these 10 tens, we have to subtract 7 tens. From the cup at the tens place, we must remove 7 green colored grains. If we remove 7 green colored grains, we see that there are 3 green colored grains in the cup at the tens place. We write digit 3 in the tens place of the difference. At the hundreds place, from the 3 hundreds, how many hundreds should we subtract? We have to subtract 3 hundreds. From the cup at the hundreds place, if we remove 3 blue colored grains, the number of blue colored grains left will be 0. From 3, if we subtract 3, we get 0 in the hundreds place. At the thousands place, how many grains are there in the cup? There will be 7 grains, or in other words, there are 7 thousands. From 7 thousands, if we do not take out any thousands, that is 0 thousands, we will be left with 7 thousands only. So, we write 7 in the thousands place. We do not take out any grains from the cup at the thousands place. At the 10,000s place, there are 9 10,000s, and from this we have to subtract 1 10,000. From 9 grains in the cup at the 10,000s place, if we remove 1 yellow colored grain, 8 grains will be remaining in the cup. We will be left with 8 10,000s. We write 8 in the 10,000s place of the difference. The difference between the given numbers is 87,033. The first number is the minuend, the second number is the subtrahend. This is the difference between the two numbers. We can do the subtraction activity using abacus as well. Usually in abacus, there are maximum of 9 or 10 beads in one place. In subtraction, we are transferring values from higher place to lower place. To show the transferring of the values, we can also use beads, grains, tamarind seeds, etc. And by this, the children will actively participate and learn subtraction in an experiential manner. Thank you.